Working with Ken was just from the beginning a great experience. He really listened to what I wanted for my faculty.
I can tell that you put a lot of time and thought and care into the people who were in the room, connecting specifically with the needs and questions that we had.
The 2 days were excellent. Best professional development, best investment in any money I've ever spent on professional development, honestly.
I was impressed by how thoughtful it was constructed. So I would say that it was really tailor-made, right? Customized to our school here and our culture here, our teachers and our students.
You've been a classroom teacher, and so you know what it's like to be a teacher, and you are creating an environment for faculty to succeed because you wanted your students to succeed, and it just shows through everything that you do, your planning, your preparation, the engagement.
You can tell that you know what you're doing and you've poured a lot of love and time into the classroom for years. I want to be like you, which is something that you want from the person that's teaching you.
My instruct group, they're now going to watch this screencast that I already used once, and they're going to do more guided practice. So for the entire class, that instruct group has been guided by me. First it was with me, then it was with me in a video, and then it was with me in a video again. This practice group, because I've checked in with them, and because they were where I thought they were, they can now do this frustrating Google form that requires the exact right answer. If they weren't where I thought they were, then I can adjust. I can say, hey, I was going to have you do this, but now I want you to do this activity.
Because of your knowledge of the audience, of you having been a teacher, and knowing how practical it needs to be for it to work for a teacher, you embedded so many different strategies and systems and examples and practical tools for us throughout the day. Everybody was going to leave with something. And I think the way you presented it, because we did it, we didn't just watch you do it, we all did it together. We know how to do it now.
You've been a master of the content and very helpful in helping us get there and to see ourselves as being able to do it. So I think that you felt very real and also aspirational.
Enrichment doesn't mean the fun stuff. Enrichment means challenging and above grade level expectations. You can do really creative fun stuff with your lowest level students because they actually might gravitate better to that, and they might understand main idea now when they never have because they're reading texts that they struggle to read.
Something that helps you think through and dream about what kind of classroom do I want. It helps you to aspire to a place where learners of all needs and abilities are being met.